Hi everyone, today we're going to learn how to perform a one-card pirouette. To perform the pirouette, hold a card with the thumb and middle finger in the centre of the card. Place your index finger on the underside of the card beside the middle finger. The spinning movement will be caused by curling the index finger and extending the middle finger like so. Practice this movement and get comfortable with it. To start the spin, cock the card like so by extending the index finger. You should rotate the card about 45 degrees using the thumb and middle fingers as a pivot. Now perform the move by curling the index finger and extending the middle finger slightly. At the same time, move the thumb away so the card doesn't hit it. You don't want to overly spin the card as you will lose control of it, so experiment with what works best for you. You also want to make sure that the card rests on the fleshy part of the middle finger, as the nail has less friction and will again cause you to lose control. As you get more comfortable with performing the move, you can move the contact point to one with less surface area to reduce friction and increase the spin time. For example, instead of contacting at this point, you can move the contact to here. To finish the move, let the spin end on its own, or place the thumb back onto the card to stop the spin.